Welcome everyone and welcome in today's video. And in today's video we'll be cooking green white rice. So I'm preparing my pot already. I put in water and now I'm putting it on the fire. Next I'll be adding some salt. As you can see, I'm using white salt today. Next I'll be adding some vegetable oil, which is coming in a bit. Yeah, that's the vegetable oil, guys. I have to put a little bit. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. And the next one is white vinegar, which can marvel everybody. Yeah, with vinegar, it's good for you to use it to boil your rice. The next thing is I'm washing my rice while the water is getting to boil. I'll wash it until it will be clean. Okay, now the water has boiled and I'll be going in with the rice, with the washed rice. By the way, I wash my rice with warm water followed by cold water. Now I'm putting in my rice, guys. I'm done putting in my rice. The water was so small, so I added a little bit and stirred in order to make sure that the salt is well mixed. Now the rice is well cooked. It's cooked, just waiting for the water to dry up. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for the returning one as well. Thank you very much. Continue to watch, guys. Now I'm just checking to make sure that the rice is not burning under. Okay, now the rice is ready. Try this, guys. The vinegar helps the rice to make it not to be sticky and to come out green. So that's the use of the vinegar. Thank you. It's ready. Try this in your home and the rice will be very nice. Thank you for watching my channel. Please always watch, come back, comment and tell me what you want to see next in this channel. Thank you very much. Continue to watch to the end. Continue to watch to the end. Bye, guys. Bye.